Hello student, here we discuss about the coordination ionization isomers versus mole concept versus analytical chemistry. It is a combo question and level 3 for stoichiometry or mole concept. Remember, this type of question must be there in the competitive exam. I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you for watching. All the best. Mixture X in which 0.02 mole of CONH3 SO4 Br and 0.02 mole of CO within bracket 5 times NH3 Br and SO4. So this is counter ion sulfate ion, this is counter ion bromine ion. Bromine ion will say, and this is a complex ion, this is counter ion, this is complex ion, this is counter ion. These are ionization isomers, very important in coordination chemistry. So here prepared in 2 liter of solution, means this much mole of this complex, both the complex 0.02 mole taken in 2 liter of the solution, and 1 liter of mixture X, excess of AgNO3 gives Y, excess, and 1 liter of mixture of X when treated with excess of BaCl to give you Z. So we have to find out moles of Y and Z. Number of moles of Y and Z have given option. So first what we have to do, ionization first. So pentamine sulfato cobalt 3 bromide, this is ionizes. So this complex ion and counter ion separated, and this is complex ion, this is counter ion. Here we are getting bromide ion. This bromide ion when react with AgNO3, now it is analytical chemistry. So AgBr white yellow PPT is obtained. AgBr yellow PPT. Yellow PPT is obtained. This is Y. But here first of all what we have to see that what is the molarity of the solution, because 2 mole of this complex and 2 mole of 0.02 mole and 0.02 mole of both the complex are taken, but volume of solution is 2 liter. At that time we should know that molarity of the this complex ion will be 0.02, because 0.02 mole we have taken and volume of the solution 2 liter. So 0.01 m of this, both of the complex are 0.01 m. So 0.01 m complex will give 0.01 m Br. So it will react with 0.01 AgNO3, and the AgBr is 0.01, Y is 0.01, and Z is also 0.01, same way, because CO this is also 0.01 m, because molarity is just 0.02 divided by 2 for both of them. So this is m 0.01 m solution give 0.01 m SO4. This will react with BaCl2 and they will form same 0.01 white PPT. So both complexes are ionization isomer, and Y and Z, what is this? This A is correct.